Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and shout out especially kay Sir Marvin. Sir, ito na po ang inyong unit, High Kappa T-Rex. High Kappa T-Rex with full automatic. Okay, this is your unit, sir. Ayan. High Kappa T-Rex. Fiber optic sight. Manual safety, beaver tail safety. This is the selector, sir, for full auto. Then, semi-auto. Semi-auto, full auto. Ayan. With markings pa yan, sir. Ayan. Okay. Pwede siyang lagyan ng accessories. Pwede mo siya lagyan ng flashlight. Ayan. Papakita ko yung flashlight. Yun. Yung flashlight. Ayun. Yun yung flashlight. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng red dot sight. Mga pampapogi. Ayan. Yun yung flashlight. Ito naman yung ating red dot sight na available. So, meron din tayong color tan. Nandito yung color tan. Ayan. Okay, so yan yung mga pwede nating, yan yung mga accessories na pwede sa unit mo, sir. Okay, Kappa T-Rex. Okay, so check lang natin yung mga parts kung gumagana ba. Okay, unahin natin yung manual safety. Okay, yung manual safety niya. Ayan yung T-Rex, napakaganda, no? Okay. So, check natin yung manual safety. So, before nyo pala ma-activate yung manual safety, kailangan, sir, nakababa yung hammer. Yan. Kasi pag hindi siya nakababa, yan, hindi mo siya masisafe eh. Matigas yan. Okay, kailangan nakababa yung hammer, yan, before mo siya masisafe. And then, pag binaba mo yung safety, manual safety, yan, that's the time na puputok na siya or pipitik na yung hammer. Okay, then yung pangalawang safety features naman, itong beaver tail. Yung beaver tail safety. So, once hindi siya engage, kalabitin mo siya, hindi siya gagana. Pag nadiinan, yan. Okay, so pag hindi siya nadidiinan, hindi gagana. Okay? So, may function kasi siya. Okay? Ayan, so working po yung beaver tail, working din yung manual safety. Okay? So, yan yung unit ni Sir Marvin. Then, meron siyang plate pala, sir, no? Itong plate na to, ito yung para sa red dot sight. Kasi itong rear sight, nare-remove po yan. Then, ipapalit nyo itong plate para sa red dot sight. Okay, and then yung magazine niya, owner's manual. Then, yung request nyo po, na 0.30 grams. Okay, 2,500 shots. And yung green gas nyo po, number 12. Okay. Yan yung kasama nyo, sir. At yan yung matatanggap nyo. Okay. Lagyan lang natin ng bibis. Okay. Lagyan natin ng gas. Okay. Tama na yun. Okay, so ngayon, magte-test for tayo ng unit mo, Sir Marvin. Okay? Okay, now, magte-test for tayo, sir. Ang unit mo, Sir Marvin. Ngayon, semi-automatic muna tayo. Mag-semi-automatic muna tayo. So, angat lang natin yung switch. Yan, semi-automatic. Okay. Ready to fire? Firing. Okay, now, let's switch to full automatic. Baba mo lang yung switch. Ayan. Ayan yung full automatic. Pag binaba mo yung switch. Okay, ready to fire. Sarap. Lakas talaga ng T-Rex. So, ayan, nag-open slide na siya. Wala nang bala. Release the magazine. Then, press down the slide, stop, slide, release, and release. Hammer down. Okay, Sir Marvin, okay na yung unit mo, sir. High Kappa T-Rex. If you have more question, message lang sa aming page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.